The Boy Who Tamed the Wind. Dear friends, today I will tell you the true story of a brave boy who used the power of nature to light up his village. The Boy Who Tamed the Wind. Once upon a time, in a distant land, there was a beautiful and fertile village, deeply connected with nature. In this village lived a young boy with his family. His name was Tallow. Though Tallow seemed like an ordinary child, he carried great dreams and a desire to explore within him. The village was blessed with all of nature's gifts: green fields, clear streams, and high hills. However, the villagers had one problem. There was no electricity, and access to water sources was difficult. One day, a great drought struck the village. The streams dried up, the fields were left without water, and the villagers spent their days in despair. Tallow was very upset by this situation. Seeing his family and neighbors in distress fueled his determination and desire to explore even more. One day, while browsing through old books at home, he found an old science book. The book talked about wind energy. When Tallow learned that wind could be used to generate energy, his eyes sparkled. Why don't we use wind energy to generate electricity in our village? He thought. Tallow immediately got to work. He gathered scrap materials from around: old bicycle parts, metal pipes, wooden scraps, and old wires. Using his father's old tools, he began to assemble these materials. At night, he read books by the dim light of a lamp, learning how wind turbines worked. During the day, he worked with the materials he had collected. As days went by, Tallow's determination and hard work began to attract attention in the village. Initially, the neighbors who mocked him were now watching him with curiosity. Tallow's mother and father fully supported their son's project. Tallow has a great purpose. Let's believe in him, they said. After months of hard work, Tallow's wind turbine was finally completed. He placed the turbine on the highest hill in the village. When the first wind blew, the turbine started to turn, and a miracle happened. The turbine generated electricity, lighting up the village lamps and running the water pumps. The villagers were overjoyed, and now there was light on dark nights and water in the dry fields. Tallow's success was not only heard in his village, but also in the surrounding villages. Electric turbine, other villages sought help from Tallow, and he shared his knowledge, teaching them how to build wind turbines as well. Arctic Thus, Tallow's dream illuminated not only his village, but the entire region. Years passed, and Tallow grew up to become a great engineer. However, he never forgot his village. He always preserved the small house on the village and turned it into a museum to tell future generations about his childhood adventures. Tallow's determination and hard work inspired many people, and his story was passed down from generation to generation. Ancak koyunu asla anlatmadı. Kodaki çocuk evini hep kurudu ve kokaklığında sadece bir masaraya gelecek nesiller anlatmak için bir müze haline getirdi. Kalanan azmi ve çalışkanlıcı, berkak insana ilham verdi ve onun hikayesi nesilden nesil aktarıldı.